I'm starting a new thing where I'm going to try some fun recipes that look delicious, and we're gonna just see how they turn out. Today we are making a Reese's cookie cake. That's right, a Reese's cookie cake, and it's amazing. Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. As you're adding in the dry ingredients, it does get a little bit thick, but that is totally normal because we added peanut butter to this yummy cookie cake, so it's totally normal if it's thick. I just chopped up some mini Reese's and just threw those in. Make sure to grease your cake pan. I wipe it with shortening and then I dust it with flour and it comes out perfectly. The chocolate is so mesmerizing, you guys. I love watching the chocolate. Then I just kept some Reese's that I chopped up, some mini ones, and we just threw them on top. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this Reese's cookie cake come together. Let me know if you tried this recipe. It was so yummy. So yummy. Let me know what else you guys want to see here at Shalise Baked Cakes, and make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys, and have an awesome day.